For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav on Tuesday criticized the BJP for holding virtual rallies for the upcoming assembly elections in Bihar and West Bengal. He said that crores of rupees are being spent on virtual rallies. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari will hold a virtual rally in Madhya Pradesh today. He is expected to hold rally at 4 p.m. Over 1 lakh people are expected to participate in it. The BJP has been holding virtual rallies as part of election campaigns. Amid the continued standoff in eastern Ladakh between India and China, Divisional Commander level military meet is likely to be held again on Wednesday. Looking to find solutions for the ongoing border dispute in eastern Ladakh, India and China have started retracting troops at multiple locations in the area. Both countries retracted at multiple points in eastern Ladakh. Troops and infantry combat vehicles moved back by 2.5 kilometers in Galwan. The Uttar Pradesh cabinet has passed an ordinance to prevent cow slaughter in the state. Cow slaughter has been made a crime with jail terms ranging from 1 year to 10 years and fines between rupees 1 lakh and rupees 5 lakh. Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Deputy Commissioner Shirish Dikshit died of coronavirus on Tuesday. His family members informed the authorities about his deteriorating health. Dikshit was asymptomatic and was dead when a team of officers reached his residence. A massive fire has engulfed a natural gas producing well in Assam's Tinsukia district. The well has been leaking gas for the last 14 days. Smoke from the fire began in the afternoon. Apparently, smoke can be seen from 10 km away and locals claim it has spread to nearby villages. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal tested negative for coronavirus on Tuesday, a day after he went into self-isolation at his Delhi residence. Aam Aadmi Party sources earlier in the day had said that the Delhi Chief Minister was feeling slightly better and had been unwell since Sunday afternoon and hasn't met anyone since then. Liquor in Delhi will be cheaper from Wednesday as the Aam Aadmi Party government decided to withdraw 70% special corona tax on sale of alcohol. The decision to withdraw corona tax has been taken at the cabinet meeting chaired by the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. As many as 180 migrant workers were brought back home to Assam from Mumbai in a chartered flight operated by AirAsia India with support from actor Sonu Sood. AirAsia India said it was a pleasure working with Sonu Sood on this initiative, which had inspired many others to support these efforts.